So I just discovered something, and I might be tardy to the party. I don't make TikToks, but I'm making drinks for me and my friends right now, and I decided to make a TikTok, show you guys how I do it, and they're all staring at me. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna teach you how to make my version of this Chai-tini situation. Do what you want with this information. I'm gonna fill my shaker with ice. First things first. I'm making a mess in the process. And then I'm gonna put 2 ounces, actually I'm gonna put 4 ounces of 818 Reposado, because I'm making two glasses, obviously. Second ounce. I mean, a little bit more isn't gonna hurt anybody. 0.5 ounces of amarula. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Well, I guess 1 full ounce, because I'm making two portions. For 1 serving, you would do 1.5, but I'm gonna do 3 ounces of this Tazo organic chai latte mix. Half an ounce of oat milk, but for this double serving, I'm gonna do 1 ounce. And 3 dashes of chocolate bitters. Just cute little. We'll do 6. Now we're just shaking. Ooh. Oh my god. This is an optional part of the process, but just for the sake of it looking pretty, I'm gonna just sprinkle a little cinnamon. Okay.
Final product.